Hello friends, making a mat is so easy. All you need is a sock, then you need a punch needle, then you need a marker pen. As for now, we are just securing the edges using a masking tape. You can sew the edges, you can hem them. Then after you're done, you just make sure your edges are strong enough so they don't tangle during the mat making process. Trim the edges with your scissors. Use a marker pen to draw the pattern you like. As for me, I drew some diamond shapes. After you're done, take your punch needle, insert your yarn. It depends with the punch needle size that you're having. Mine is bigger, so I used the chunky yarn. Insert your punch needle, then secure the edge of the yarn by making a knot. Then keep punching, pulling. You just hold your loop below the sack so that it doesn't pull off. It's interesting and it's easy. I hope you can make yours because it's cheaper. You don't need a tapestry mat. All you need is a sack. And now look at the amazing results. Wow.